What if you could power your home without paying a single cent to electricity companies? Sounds impossible, right? But a new breakthrough could change everything.
We are living through a climate crisis, and we must act now to save our home. We all have the power to create a greener world. Together, we could create a world powered by 100% renewable electricity and greener gas. Good Energy, an energy company that cares
Meet
about our
Magmo,
future.
a device that challenges everything we know about energy. No fuel, no pollution, just pure, endless electricity. Imagine a world where you control your power. No blackouts, no skyrocketing bills, just freedom. How does it work? Is it real? And most importantly, can it work for you? Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know the truth about Magmo, and it might just be the future of energy. Understanding the energy crisis, electricity prices are rising every year. Families struggle to keep up, and businesses pay more just to stay open. But that's not the only problem. Most power comes from fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas. These energy sources pollute the air and damage the planet, and the more we use them, the worse things get. Blackouts are becoming more common, power grids are aging, and some areas don't even have access to stable electricity. We rely on an expensive, fragile, and harmful system. But what if there was a better way? A way to break free and take control? The future of energy must change, and it starts now. Introducing Magmo, the revolutionary solution. Imagine a power source that doesn't rely on fuel, sunlight, or wind. A device that generates electricity anytime, anywhere. That's Magmo, a groundbreaking generator powered by magnetism. Unlike traditional systems, Magmo doesn't burn anything. It doesn't need an external power supply. Instead, it uses a unique magnetic system to create a continuous flow of electricity. This means no fuel costs, no emissions, and no dependence on the grid. It works in homes, businesses, and even off-grid locations. Magmo isn't just another generator. It's a new way to produce clean, sustainable, and cost-effective power. But how does it really work? Let's dive deeper. The science behind Magmo's technology. Magmo runs on a fascinating principle: magnetic energy. It doesn't burn fuel or rely on the sun or wind. Instead, it uses the natural force of magnets to generate electricity. Inside Magmo, carefully arranged magnets create a continuous motion. This motion pushes electrons through a circuit, producing a steady electrical current. Once the process starts, it keeps running independently, requiring no external input. This technology isn't science fiction. Magnetic energy has been studied for years. However, Magmo takes it further by refining the design for maximum efficiency and stability. Unlike traditional generators, it doesn't waste energy as heat or noise. Nearly all the power produced is usable. The best part? Magmo's system doesn't degrade over time like batteries or mechanical engines. It's built to last, providing consistent power for years with little to no maintenance. This means you get clean, free energy without ever needing to buy fuel or worry about rising electricity costs. Magmo isn't just a generator, it's a revolution in energy production. The science behind Magmo's technology. Electricity usually comes from burning fuel, spinning turbines, or capturing sunlight, but Magmo does something different. It taps into magnetic energy, a force that exists all around us. At the heart of Magmo is a carefully engineered magnetic system. Inside, powerful magnets are arranged in a way that keeps them in constant motion. This movement pushes electrons through a circuit, creating a steady flow of electricity. Once started, it keeps running, without any external power or fuel. This concept isn't new. Scientists have explored magnetic induction for years. It's the same principle behind electric motors and generators. But Magmo refines the process, eliminating energy losses and maximizing efficiency. Unlike conventional systems that waste power as heat or friction, Magmo captures and converts nearly all of it into usable electricity. The system is designed for stability. It doesn't slow down over time or wear out like mechanical engines. No moving parts mean less maintenance and a longer lifespan. Traditional power sources degrade, and repairs and replacements are needed. Magmo just keeps going. Another advantage? No emissions. No burning means no smoke, no pollution, and no harm to the planet. It's completely silent, unlike noisy gas generators. With Magmo, you get continuous, clean, and independent energy, without relying on expensive power companies or unpredictable renewable sources. This isn't just an improvement, it's a new way to think about electricity. Impressive efficiency and performance. Powering a home or business takes a lot of energy. Most generators struggle to provide a stable supply. Magmo changes that. With its high-efficiency magnetic system, Magmo produces a steady flow of electricity with minimal energy loss. Unlike traditional generators that waste fuel as heat and noise, Magmo converts nearly all its power into usable electricity. This means maximum output with zero waste. Depending on the model, Magmo can generate between 110 V and 230 V, covering a wide range of electrical needs. The residential model produces up to 5 kilowatts, enough to power a typical home. Need more? The commercial unit delivers up to 20 kilowatts, perfect for small businesses, offices, or even remote locations. Magmo isn't just powerful, it's also consistent. It doesn't depend on weather conditions like solar or wind power, and it doesn't slow down over time like batteries. Once it's running, it keeps producing energy at full capacity day and night. Traditional generators require frequent maintenance. Magmo doesn't. No fuel, no moving parts, no breakdowns. Just clean, reliable electricity whenever you need it. Imagine running your home, office, or even an off-grid cabin without worrying about power outages or rising costs. Magmo delivers efficiency, performance, and peace of mind all in one device. Cost-effectiveness and long-term savings. Electricity bills never stop rising. Fuel prices go up, maintenance costs add up. But what if you could break free from all that? Magmo is a one-time investment that pays for itself over time. Unlike gas generators, it doesn't need fuel. Unlike solar panels, it doesn't require expensive batteries or constant sunlight. Once installed, it runs without ongoing costs. The residential model costs $4,127.64, while the commercial unit is $7,334.60. At first, this may seem high, but think about how much you spend on electricity every year. Over time, Magmo saves thousands of dollars, all while providing reliable, clean energy. With traditional power, you're stuck with utility companies. Rates increase and you have no control. Magmo puts the power in your hands literally. There are no hidden fees, no monthly bills, just free electricity year after year. It's not just about saving money. It's about energy freedom. No dependence on the grid, no surprise costs. Just stable, cost-effective power whenever you need it. Magmo isn't just a generator. It's a financial game changer. Environmental benefits and sustainability. Fossil fuels are destroying the planet. Burning coal, gas, and oil releases toxic pollution, and climate change is getting worse. But Magmo offers a cleaner way. Unlike traditional power sources, Magmo produces zero emissions. It doesn't burn anything. It doesn't pollute the air. It simply generates electricity using magnetism, a 100% clean process. Solar and wind power are great, but they depend on the weather. Magmo works anytime, anywhere. No sunlight? No problem. No wind? It still runs. This makes it one of the most reliable green energy solutions available today. Less pollution means a healthier planet, cleaner air, a lower carbon footprint, and a future where energy doesn't come at the cost of nature. With Magmo, you don't just save money, you help save the Earth. Switching to sustainable energy is no longer a choice, it's a responsibility, and Magmo makes it easier than ever. Installation, portability, and maintenance. Setting up a new power source can be a hassle, but not with Magmo. It's designed for easy installation. No complex wiring, no professional help needed. Just set it up, connect it, and start generating electricity. Magmo is also compact and lightweight. Unlike bulky generators, it doesn't take up much space. You can place it inside your home, in your garage, or even outdoors. Need power on the go? Take it anywhere, perfect for RVs, cabins, or remote locations. Traditional generators require constant maintenance, oil changes, fuel refills, and part replacements. Magmo needs none of that. It runs maintenance-free for years with no moving parts and no fuel dependency. Forget about costly repairs or breakdowns. Magmo is built to last. Once installed, it provides consistent, hassle-free power without extra effort. Powering your life should be simple. With Magmo, it finally is. Global impact and accessibility. Electricity is a luxury in many parts of the world. Millions live without reliable power, businesses struggle, and communities remain in darkness. Magmo can change that. Because it doesn't need fuel or the grid, Magmo works anywhere. Remote villages, disaster zones, and off-grid homes can now have constant, affordable electricity. There is no more waiting for infrastructure, and there is no more dependence on expensive power companies. Magmo is also cost-effective, making clean energy accessible to more people. It's not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Families, small businesses, and entire communities can now take control of their energy needs. As demand for renewable energy grows, Magmo is leading the way. It's already being used in homes and businesses worldwide, proving that a cleaner, more independent future is possible. With Magmo, energy is no longer a privilege, it's a right. The future of energy is here. Magmo offers clean, reliable power without fuel, high costs, or pollution. It's time to break free from rising bills and outdated systems. You have the choice. Will you embrace the future or stay stuck in the past? Take control. Choose Magmo.